Yes. So let's move on to this numerical problems which are there. So let me take the first problem. A two-wire DC distributor, 200 meters long. A two-wire DC distributor, a two-wire DC distributor, 200 meters long, 200 meters long, is uniformly loaded, is uniformly loaded with 2 ampere per meter, with, sorry, yeah, with 2 ampere per meter. Resistance of a single wire is 0.03, 0.3 ohm per kilometer. Resistance of a single wire, resistance of a single wire is 0.3 ohm per kilometer, 0.3 ohm per kilometer. If the distributor is fed at one end, if the distributor is fed at one end, distributor is fed at one end, what we need to calculate? Calculate first one, the voltage drop up to a distance of 150 meter from the feeding point. Voltage drop at a distance, voltage drop at a distance of 150 meter from the feeding point A, from the feeding point. So here feeding point is considered to be A, that's why I am writing A here. Next one, the maximum voltage drop. The maximum voltage drop. So these are the two things what you need to find. Okay. So first one is the voltage drop at a distance of 150 meter from feeding point A. So let me draw a DC distributor, say A and B, which is being present. So the distributor is uniformly loaded. So first thing what you need to consider is uniformly loaded. Okay, so uniformly loaded. So this is the point A, this is point B, and here this is the length L, which is 200 meter long. So this is the length L, which is there, 200 meter long. So at here, say this is 150 meter, that is what I want to say. So 150 meter here represents X equals 150 meter. So it's a two-wire DC distributor. It's a 200 meter long. So it is uniformly loaded with the 2 ampere per meter. So I given here is 2 ampere per meter. So small I, which is there, it is 2 ampere per meter length of the line. So resistance of a single wire is 0.3 ohm per kilometer. So here, let me highlight two things. It's a single wire and the resistance is said to be 0.3 ohm per kilometer. So what you can generally say of the two-wire DC distributor which is there, so 2 into, so this is of single wire, you will be having two wires there, 2 into 0.3, that is ohm, 0.3 ohm per kilometer. So divided by 1000, which is there. So 2 into 0.3 divided by 1000. So what you will be getting is 0.006 ohm, which is there. So 0.006 ohm. So length of the distributor here, which is 200 meter, which is there. Okay. So first what you need to do is you need to calculate the voltage drop up to a point X. Say point X here is nothing but up to a distance X from the feeding point A. So this is the feeding point which is there, and you need to calculate this voltage drop which is being present there. So hope you have understood it, and let me clear. Yes, first one, to find voltage drop, to find voltage drop up to a distance of, up to a distance of up to a distance of 150 meter 150 meter from feeding point 150 meter from feeding point. So this is what you need to be there. So up to 150 meter, I into r, that is l my lx, sorry, lx minus x squared divided by 2. So this is the equation what you need to find, where x will be equal to 150 meter that is being present there. So I, what is I? That is 2 ampere per meter. R, what is that? So that is 0.0006, which is being present there. So L is 200 meter. L is 200 meter. So X is 150 meter, which I already told you. So substitute everything there. So 2 into 0.0006 Lx 200 into X, which is 150 minus 150 squared divided by 2. So after doing all the calculations, what is being left out is the desired voltage drop is said to be 22.5 volts. So this is the total voltage drop up to the point, say 150 meter from the feeding point A. Next one, what you need to do now is you need to find out the maximum voltage drop. So maximum voltage drop. So maximum voltage drop. So maximum voltage drop which is being present there. So that is capital I, capital R divided by 2. So how do you find out capital I? So that is small I into L. Capital R is small r into L, which is there. So I, what is I here? Which is 2 into 200. Okay. So next one, R, which is 0.0006 into 200, which is being present there. So substitute all these parameters there. So that is 400 into, what is that? 400 into 0.12 divided by 2. So that is 200 into 0.12. So what we can generally say is it is 24 volt. So that is the total voltage drop that is being present there at the entire distributor. So total voltage drop across the distributor AB, across the distributor AB. So that is 24 volt that is being present there. So this is the simple problem that is being asked repeated number of times, and we'll go to the next video and we'll have the next problem which is there. So hope you have understood this problem, and it is quite simple.